And you're not fooling anybody if you keep getting good marks on ACs and you barely make it through the test. You're like, I don't know about that. I don't know what you're trying, right? It's not helping you. Consider the spinner to the right. What are the odds of the spinner landing on green? So you know, right, there are 8 sections. Focus on the total, right? So there are 2 green sections and therefore 6 sections that are not green. That's good enough, 2 to 6. If I ask you to reduce it, divide them both by 2, 1 to 3, right? Didn't ask for that today. State the odds against the spinner landing on red. Against red. Okay, so we're going to put the reds. We've got 3 of them. We're going to put them here. And then I'm going to go total minus red, which is 5, right? 5 to 3 goes on the other side. It has to be exactly like this. If you're off, if you have like 3 to 8, that's a minus 1. Okay, so it's a bigger deal here, being off by 1. The probability of Mr. D going fishing on any given weekend is 13 over 52. State the odds of Mr. D going fishing, right? So you go 13, and here you go 52 minus 13, so that'd be 13 to 39, right? 1 to 3. 13 goes into both of them. Okay, state the probability against going fishing. Probability. Oh, I almost went for odds there. Right? So probability of not fishing. That would simply be you take this one. So I would go 52 minus 13 over 52. So that'd be 39 over 52. Okay. I didn't ask you to state it as a decimal or percent, so that would be good enough right now. That's 3 over 4 reduced, by the way. The odds of an athlete winning a medal in the Olympics is 1 to 5, right? Odds of, so that's winning a medal, not winning a medal. State the probability of winning a medal, right? So you don't have to have the P medal, right? You don't have to do that, but this would be 1 over 6. Very important to get it exactly like that. Okay? State the odds against winning a medal. Oh my, that's easy. This was an easy one, right? You just flip the odds for, you flip them. That's the odds against. If there are 2,897 athletes, how many athletes are expected to win a medal? Or how many would medal, right? So here you do prediction. This is a prediction. And you go 1 over 6 times 2,897. This would be a 2-mark question if you had to come up with the probability before. But since you already have it, it's just a 1 marker. Let me just do this real quick. 482.83. That keeps going, but to get full marks, you need to give me a full whole number here. Athletes. Okay. One mark. Everything is 1 mark right now until we get to 6 and 7. The odds against a pregnancy resulting in twins. Almost done there. Okay. Against resulting in twins. So this would be not, right? Twins not. This would be twins. Right? T not T. State the probability of a pregnancy resulting in twins. So we want the 1 over 251. We always add them up to get our total in the denominator. Okay. I looked these up online. How true they are probably varies a little bit, but so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For me, for this page here, I would stop and this would be out of 8. So you can already do that on your handout, on your piece of loose leaf. Let's talk about the deck of cards. A deck has 52 cards. State the odds of drawing an ace. There are 4 aces. So that's 52 minus 4, that's 4 to 48. This would be easy to simplify, but I didn't ask, so it's okay. The odds of drawing a spade, there are 13 spades, and so you go 52 minus 13, that'd be 13 to 39. It's exactly like the fishing example, right? Coincidence. What are the odds of that? State the odds of drawing a red face card. How many red face cards? 6, right? 6 to 52 minus 6, so that'd be 6 to 46. All right, 1 mark. The odds of drawing an ace of diamonds. How many ace of diamonds? It's only 1. You're down to diamonds, right? That's the only suit. There's only 1 ace, right? So 1 to 51. This one is easy to just do like that without the minusing, right? What does P red with a bar mean in this context? It means the probability, right? Probability of not drawing, not drawing a red card. That's what it's saying, right? Of not drawing or not taking a red card or something like that. Within this context, that's what it means. If it had been the spinner, it would be the probability of the spinner not landing on red. Something like that. I should have asked you to actually state what it is, but I can't keep asking, right? It never end. The probability of the Toronto Raptors winning the trophy is 37.5%. I like to state that like this. So you technically have a fraction there now. State the odds of them winning the trophy. You should not have decimals on your final answer. So I will give you 1 mark if this shows up. Watch. So 37.5, and on the other side we go right 100 minus 37.5. That's 37.5 to, what do we have here? 62.5. You get a mark if you get it that far, because that shows me you understand what needs to happen. Okay. I can see some of you having done this. Let me. Some of you might have divided that. It's both of these are the same, and so you may have done this. That is okay as well. I give you a mark if that shows up. Right? The way you got this side is just 1 minus that, right? Instead of 100 minus that, you went this and then 1 minus that, right? The same concept here. So either one, you get a mark, and then for full marks, you got to multiply both by 10 here. So that's 375 to 625. That would give you another mark there. Or these ones need to be multiplied by, watch, look for the greatest number of decimals that you have. So let's say one side has 4, the other one has 2, you focus on the 4. So 1, 2, 3 decimals, that means that you need to multiply both sides by 1,000 to get the same answer. Okay, so either way is fine. That's what you need to do for 2 marks. Yeah. 3 to 5. So 125, right? Goes into both of them? Yeah. 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 Oh, so you went 38 to 6? See, there's a problem because 38 and 63, they don't add up to 100%, right? That'd be 101. 1.5. Today, 1.5. So what did you say, 3 to 5? Yeah, 375 is the, hold on, I have to double check this. Yeah. Yeah, 3 to 5 is also acceptable. Yeah, that's reduced. I love it when you see connections. Go for it. Go for it. The odds in favor of the Spartans winning the varsity volleyball tournament is 11 to 17. So Sisler, the probability of winning would be 11 over 28. Okay, so I turn that into a percentage. So 11 divided by 28 times 100, that's 39.29% chances of Sisler winning. Calvin, odds in favor. So I did change the wording from the workbook, so you have to be careful. For Calvin to win, the probability would be 19 over. That would be 54/64. Right? So 19 divided by 64, that is 29.69%. And then for DMCI, it's just 4 over 17. 20, that's 23.53% chances of winning. So then you would obviously have to say best chance. Right? Something, just identify that Sisler is more likely to win the tournament between all of them. But like the coach, Rick Bowness, said, numbers mean nothing to us. We're just going to go and do our thing.